I unfortunately come to you with a sad and devastating news that author and the granddaughter of Nelson Mandela, Zolaka Mandela, has passed away on Monday evening, the 25th of September 2023, after her long battle with cancer. Zolaka Mandela was admitted to the hospital on the 18th of September for ongoing treatment for metastatic cancer in the hip, liver, lung, pelvis, brain, and spinal cord. Now, her family confirmed her passing through this statement, you guys, which reads as follows. On Monday, September the 18th, Zolaka Mandela was admitted into hospital for ongoing treatment for metastatic cancer to the hip, liver, lung, pelvis, brain, and spinal cord. Recent scans revealed significant disease progression, including fibrosis in the lungs, as well as several embolisms. Zoleka passed away on the evening of Monday, September the 25th, surrounded by family and friends. Our, sin- our sincerest gratitude to the medical team that took care of her. The statement was issued by Zolaka Mandela, who is the family spokesperson. Now, last year on August the 23rd, Zoleka documented her journey on Instagram through this devastating post, which reads as follows. I've had a sore back for more than a month now and recently consulted with my GP when I could no longer tolerate the excruciating pain in my left rib. I went for an x-ray of my chest and rib a few days ago. I have a pathological fracture and swelling caused by cancer. My medical oncologist has scheduled me for a CT scan and bone scan to determine whether I have cancer in the remaining parts of my body. From what she's told me, cancer in the bone cannot be eradicated, nor can it be cured. I have bone metastasis. I've just had my CT scans and awaiting my results. I don't even have the words to articulate my thought and feelings, the words to describe how scared I am right now. What do I tell my children? How do I tell them that this time around I may not get to live my life as a survivor? How do I tell them everything will be okay when it's not? I am dying. I don't want to die. Condolences to the family, you guys. Zoleka Mandela was only 43 years old, and may her precious soul rest in peace.
Maybe I'll never ever make sense of why all these things, happened in my life, these painful things that have like completely changed my life. But I'm just like in a place where I'm like, my life couldn't be any better because I finally have purpose. I always felt like my life meant nothing to me or nothing at all, like I was worth nothing. First of all, I never thought I'd ever amount to anything. And I used to always say, I think by the age of 30, I'll be dead, at the rate that I was going. But, I feel like my life makes people feel like they have a purpose, because as much as I felt like, purposeless after my daughter passed on, I just feel like every day is a better way, another opportunity for me to better myself and,
Absolutely.
And be that beacon of hope for somebody else who's going through something that I went through, and maybe even better than that, to maybe just remind them that they always have an opportunity to make better choices.